Hi, I'm Hanson Chien. Penetration is always one of the classic effects that attract magicians, such as Chinese linking rings or the crazy man's handcuffs. Now, imagine you take two beaded bracelets off your wrist, make them pass through each other. Even more, you can do the penetration with other objects. It's only limited by your imagination. T1000 bracelet is made of high-quality nickel-plated metal bits, and the material for the thread is ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. This trick is visual, practical, and no angle issue. This is T1000.